Jai Jagannath. I am presenting the first chapter of Gita with esoteric meaning in a laconic manner. The first chapter enunciates the problem statement and rest of the chapters solve it. So unless we are in know of the problem, it will be difficult for us when we deep dive into Gita in the ensuing chapters. All my videos are interlinked and therefore watch all the videos till the end for getting the dots connected. Not only the body-centric notion tormented Arjun, but also the concepts of casteism, misogyny, and religiosity were hovering in his mind, for which, after advancing a series of arguments based on the aforesaid vision, he finally, with a heavy heart and disturbed mind full of lamentation, put aside his bow and arrow, the Gandhi, and sat down on the chariot, says text 6 of chapter 1, the concluding one. Just to recap, verse 28 to 30, Arjuna is overwhelmed with compassion after seeing his own relations in the battlefield with whom he was required to fight. Verse 31 to 35, what pleasure and happiness we'll get in winning kingdom and wealth, which would come only after slaughtering our own kinsmen for whom we desire such things. Verse 36 to 38, Arjun says, sin will overcome us when we'll kill our own relations in the battlefield, as per Dharma Shastra. The tone of the aforesaid three concepts is embodied in verse 39 to 43. Verse 39 says, when all the elders of the families are dead, then the eternal family tradition will be lost due to non-performance of religious rites and ceremonies. Your religion will take over. I would like to clarify here that elders of the family refers to the male members of the families of the Kshatriya community only, since they only stood in the war as warriors to fight. Moreover, the entire range of relations extending from grandfather, father, sons, grandsons, father-in-law, son-in-law, maternal uncle, brother-in-law, brothers, cousins, etc., involving 4 generations have converged in the battlefield. Moreover, it was a world war of its own kind, since Bharatvarsh of that time was not restricted to the present India only. Verse 40 runs, Adharma bhivavat Krishna pradushyanti kulastriyah strishu dushtashu varsneya jayate vanna sankarah. Adharma bhivavat Krishna, O Krishna, when irreligion is rampant, what will happen? Pradushyanti kulastriyah, women of the families will get polluted. Trishu dushtasu varsneya, O Krishna, the descendant of Vrishni dynasty, the women of the family will be dragged into adultery by the irresponsible man of the society. As a result, what will happen? Jayate varnasankaraha, unwanted progeny would come. This shows the male attitude towards female and the attitude of the higher caste people towards lower caste one. Arjun means to say, when all the male members of the family are dead, the women of the family will do sex here and there. And due to intermingling of caste, that is, the higher caste women mixing with the lower caste one, the offspring will be called unwanted progeny or unwanted population. All these are given by the disturbed mind of Arjun, which saw it as a problem. But when Krishna starts replying, we'll see how he condemned all such arguments as baseless in our coming video. Like, share and subscribe. Jai Jagannath. Thanking all.